Fucking idiot.
In any car build, it's the little stuff that takes the longest. In our 9sFor5 build, we have the majority of the big tasks done. We just have the little stuff left.
So today we're going to be buttoning up the intercooler piping, exhaust, and a little bit of wiring.
This feels like a 3 to 4 coupler, and that's what I'm going to be working on today. We're going to be making the rest of our cold side piping. So, got this guy, and we are going right there. A little loose, but coupler will fix that. Also, we have another mystery part. What else we got? Oh, we got new drain fittings. These were actually free. They were supposed to come with the kit, and we never got them, so they shipped them out to us. And we got an oil pressure sensor, 10 bucks. We got some spark plug wires for 15 bucks. They don't look too terrible. Well, let's see if all this stuff fits. Doesn't get much easier than that, huh? I think that'll clear just fine.
Too loud for me!
Need a little straight. Alright, we got a quick tech tip for you guys. I'm cutting aluminum. A lot of people use a bandsaw, sawzall. If you're looking to TIG weld and you want clean cuts, get yourself a wood finishing blade such as this. This is used for like trim. It's a 96 tooth. And this cuts through aluminum like butter and cuts it nice and flat and straight. So I use this every time. Show you how it works. Safety glasses might be necessary. Oh, please. Look at that, nice and flat. You got a good, even cut all the way around. So you don't get that with a sawzall. Or bandsaw. There's not much cleanup work to do. I'm a little obsessive about this stuff, so track down my deburring tool, this little fancy guy. If you don't have one of these, make sure you grab one off Amazon, because deburring aluminum, that easy. Check our fitment here. You notice I made sure to keep our bead rolled ends around. Shoved the wrong end in there. Yeah, we're gonna work. So, I don't need to even mark this because it's just a straight shot. The only thing I'm going to mark, I'm gonna drill a hole here for a intake air temp sensor, which I I want to get it probably right about, we're gonna go right about here. $5 off Amazon. Sure, there's some guys that won't spend money on this, you know, but for me, to have an aluminum fitting, all you need to do is drill a hole and click it in and weld it on. Saves me a ton of time. I have a unibit here somewhere. I will find my drill eventually. Oh, there's my unibit. Right on the drill. Use a manipulator to get this in. Oh, go home to daddy. You're almost there.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Find a happy place, find a happy place, find a happy place!
There we go. Look at that. So, for those of you who are obsessive, you can go in here with a file after you weld it in. Get it nice and flat. You will not be seeing me do that. Alright, we got our cold side piping done, nice and easy. The passenger side was just a coupler that went down to the intercooler piping that the previous owner had. And as you can see, we come over here and we just have our 3/8 MPT bung for our GM intake air temp sensor. Come down, we welded it straight to a 45, and the 45 goes right into the piping that the previous owner had in there. And there we are. As you guys know, the nitpicky stuff is what takes forever, so try to pick it off little by little. So right now I'm doing turbo feed and drain, and I'm trying to keep it away from the hot stuff a little bit, but I only do so much. Gonna take advantage of these factory GM clips here.
We just got back from shopping, got us a belt, some coolant hoses. As you can see, it is a little sketchy, but that's the name of the game. We got the majority of the harness installed, all plugged in. The kit comes with a relay for the radiator. We're just waiting on a couple of butt connectors to get that all set up, but radiator is in. Coolant hoses are connected. Intake is all finished up. Just gotta put another clamp or two on it. A couple of the vacuum hoses are ran as well. Comes with an oxygen sensor. All the wiring has come inside the car, and there is the ECU.
All right, that's all for today, guys. I just picked up myself a new 2019 Duramax, and we're gonna be doing some diesel modifications to this thing.
So if you're a diesel bro, stay tuned. We're gonna be putting on some new parts real soon. That's 20 inches.